Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can clone your voice in Heygen. In order to do so, here we are at heygen.com and we're all logged in. And what we're looking for can be found on the left-hand side here where it says avatar.
Where you record doesn't matter.
We get this funny guy here who shows up.
Welcome to
what we want to do is we want to go to where it says avatars right here. And when we do, you can see for yourself here, it says clone a real person. Use real video footage to create an avatar that looks, moves, and sounds like you. We're going to click on that. And what it's going to want is it's going to want access to your camera and to your microphone. And we're not going to do the microphone, or sorry, the camera right now. We will allow that. And then you can see here, create avatar in 15 seconds. Record your motion once, then reuse it across any look for this avatar, or you can upload footage. So you can record via webcam or you can record via phone. And what you can do is you record yourself and you also record yourself speaking. And then you can create your clone in Heygen. So you could do that through webcam, phone, you can upload footage, and that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cintra. Cintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Cintra. Use our referral link to get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. Use our referral code and you will get $50 to open up an account. Referral link rather. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. Can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.